Welcome to Beauty and Life Coaching AIFW, your go-to channel for quick insights into women's world. You're now watching a video from our Little Heart's Tale series. Sunlight filters through the forest canopy, illuminating Sam as he bustles across the forest floor. A picture of diligence. Sam pauses, his nose twitching as he spots a small, injured bird beneath a towering oak, its wing twisted at an unnatural angle. Overcoming his initial hesitation, Sam cautiously approaches the bird, concern etched on his furry face as he peers at the injury. With gentle paws, Sam scoops up the bird, cradling it carefully in his arms, resolving to take it back to his cozy tree hollow. Sunlight floods Sam's tree hollow, casting a warm glow as he tends to a wounded bird. He offers the bird fresh water from a leaf, a gesture of pure tenderness. Sam arranges soft moss as bedding, ensuring the bird is nestled in comfort. Days turn into weeks as Sam shares his berries and nuts, nurturing the bird back to health. The bird chirps softly, its eyes reflecting affection for its caretaker. Sam, a wide smile lights up Sam's face, radiating satisfaction as the bird heals under his care. The forest is ravaged by a fierce storm, ancient trees torn asunder and the undergrowth transformed into a muddy mire. Sam's sanctuary is destroyed, leaving him exposed and heartbroken. Above, a bird soars, recalling his kindness. The bird's piercing call rallies birds from every corner of the forest, a united flurry of feathers and determination. Sam watches in astonishment as the birds, united in purpose, construct a new home. Incredible! I can't believe it! If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more from our Little Heart's Tales series.